If pronouncing my B's as V's makes me sound Russian, then Soviet. You son of Favage take my upvote and hi Vladimir. Shouldn't it be the other way around? If pronouncing my V's as B's are one-liners, I'm confused. Russian accent doesn't change B to V. Russian alphabet has a B like in the word. The only Russian person I have ever met who had this issue is an uncle who seems to generally have trouble pronouncing everything, including words in his native tongue. This is a BoJack Horseman joke. Take upvote and comrades. This would be better if it ended with actually so be it, and then you have to realize that saying Soviet